our weekend adventure at Mango Beach Resort in Bangalore. We started our journey with a warm welcome at the check-in. The adventure began with thrilling activities, from conquering the rope climbing challenge to soaring through the air on the zipline. Everyone pushed their limits and cheered each other on.
Very good.
Next, it was time to test our balance on the floating bar. Laughter echoed as we tried to stay atop the wobbly surface, making it one of the most memorable moments of our trip. The swimming pool was a perfect way to cool off. The mist dance floor beckoned. We danced through the mist, enveloped in a magical atmosphere of the lights and music, creating memories that would last a lifetime. Our weekend at Mango Beach Resort was nothing short of spectacular. From the excitement of the activities to the serenity of the moment shared. It was an experience we'll cherish forever. Until next time, bye.